Honourable Chairperson, the first question that you referred to in terms of saying nothing or accept guilt, and in terms of specific answers, I can only say that I'm trying my best this morning to answer the questions to the best of my ability and to the knowledge that I have. I'm not answering questions with something in mind of whether it will incriminate me or not. In terms of the biggest corporate scandal, the biggest corporate failure in South Africa, yes. The word scandal is now the writers of sensation, and of course it is saddened about the people that have lost money, and people thankfully up to now, and certainly in South Africa, as I read it, there will be no job losses. That has been mitigated. But obviously the fall in the share price and the value of lenders' money happened because of the uncertainty of the company without financial statements out there. And the reason why there was not financial statements out there was what I was trying to give the background to this morning, and the process how that happened. Honourable Chairperson, the term accountability is that, of course, I feel totally responsible for what happened this time, but for the reasons that I've mentioned right there. I chose the wrong partner. We went into territories when we shouldn't have gone into territories. But the discussion up to now and the allegations were fostered around accounting issues. And therefore, I participated and gave my full cooperation for 2 years in terms of those issues. And therefore, I took the view I took in December, and I said I would take it like a man for the mistakes I made. And I've lost my whole career that I spent this time.